Elon Musk posted just 4 words, Terafab Project, with a countdown, and said absolutely nothing else. No press release, no explainer, no context. Yet within hours, the AI and machine learning community was already dissecting every syllable. In the world of frontier AI, ambiguity from Musk is rarely accidental. The prefix Tera isn't casual branding. It signals an order of magnitude that most AI labs have never operated at. Tera-scale fabrication would represent a leap beyond what any private AI company has publicly announced. When you combine that with Musk's simultaneous push across xAI, SpaceX, and Neuralink, the convergence of physical and digital intelligence becomes impossible to ignore. The Memphis Colossus GPU cluster wasn't just impressive, it was a statement. xAI went from concept to fully operational faster than AWS, Microsoft, or Google had ever moved on comparable infrastructure. That precedent matters enormously here. Terafab isn't emerging from a standing start. It's coming from an organization that has already demonstrated it can compress years of build time into months. Every serious AI lab on Earth is fighting the same battle, getting enough compute to train the next generation of models. Most are stuck renting from cloud hyperscalers or waiting years in NVIDIA's order queue. This creates a structural ceiling on how fast any organization can move, unless they own their own silicon supply chain. Right now, that's a club with very few members. Google built TPUs specifically to break its dependence on third-party chips. Apple's Silicon division transformed the entire laptop and mobile industry. Amazon's Trainium and Inferentia chips are quietly reshaping cloud economics. The companies that own their own silicon don't just save money, they set their own roadmap, their own timeline, and their own performance targets. That independence is worth more than any single model breakthrough. There's a profound difference between owning a GPU cluster and owning fabrication capacity. Clusters depreciate, get outdated, and still depend on NVIDIA or AMD at the source. Fabrication capacity means you are the source. If Terafab represents a genuine move into hardware manufacturing at scale, xAI wouldn't just be a better resourced AI lab, it would be operating in an entirely different competitive category than OpenAI, Anthropic, or Mistral. Skeptics are right to note that one cryptic tweet is not a press release, but dismissing a Musk countdown as noise ignores a well-established pattern. From Starship timelines to Tesla product reveals to the Grok launches, the ambition of the name has almost always matched the weight of the eventual announcement. 7 days is a short window, and the AI infrastructure world is watching every hour of it. If Terafab delivers on what its name implies, the implications ripple far beyond xAI. It resets assumptions about what a private AI company can vertically integrate. It raises pressure on every other frontier lab to rethink their supply chain dependencies. And it signals that the next phase of the AI race won't be won purely by better algorithms. It will be won by whoever controls the physical infrastructure those algorithms run on.